We designed Tri-Lite for all drivers. It's something that can do them a favor. Something that can also make them safer. Introducing Tri-Lite, the 7-in-1 car partner.
I love to travel, and when I travel, I like to have my things organized and accessible. We are the creators of the luggage that was voted best carry-on bag by all the biggest names in travel. USA Today, Travel and Leisure, you name it. And now we're raising the bar even higher. What we have designed is the upgraded model of our enormously successful carry-on, which we have shipped to tens of thousands of fans across the globe. Meet Genius Pack Supercharged, a maximum capacity carry-on built with a unique charging capability with 2 external USB ports to recharge smartphones up to 4 times. Juice up your smartphone and tablet all at the same time. The Power Pack is fully removable and complies with airline standards. We designed the Green Cable as an all-in-one cable to recharge your iPhone, Android devices, and also recharge the luggage itself. It has not 4 but 8 wheels for a 360-degree super smooth glide designed to wheel effortlessly on multiple terrains. It's extremely light, just 6.8 pounds. The zipper pullers click into the integrated combination lock. Take my word, we did not cut corners on quality. The external shell is 100% polycarbonate, the stuff they use for bulletproof material. The telescopic handle is made of 100% aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, reinforced impact-resistant corners, scratch and stain resistant, top and side easy grab handles. All of our units are rigorously tested. We put our luggage on treadmills for miles to guarantee the wheels last. We conduct jerk tests to ensure the bag can carry heavy loads. But what really makes this bag great is in the inside. There's category compartments for tech, socks, undergarments, and we even built an embedded checklist so you never forget your belts again. We built these compartments with a specialized stretch mesh. You'll be amazed on how much you can fit in here. There is a garment loop for hanging clothes. The rest of your clothing fit comfortably in the main cavity. These compression straps keep everything in place and minimizes wrinkling. As you wear your clothes, the left side becomes a secluded laundry compartment, so your dirty clothes never touch your clean clothes. From the day I launched Genius Pack in 2013, I listened closely to all of your feedback. We've shipped over 75,000 units to happy customers all around the globe. This product is a creation of numerous rounds of prototypes. Our skilled craftsmen are eagerly waiting to get these produced. We need your support to bring this product to life.
This is Pictar Pro. It makes your phone function and feel like a DSLR. See, every time a new smartphone comes out, it's always about one thing. The camera. They've gotten amazing. Every small detail of the camera is always examined. The size of the sensor, the amount of light that goes in, a new special tech for pixels, and mountains of software and algorithms, as they call it today, AI. When you look closely at the efforts, they're made of 2 different things. One is to make a better camera, and the other is to make everyone's experience with it a good one. That second part basically means that you and a man who lives in a cave will have the same outcome. Point, tap, and that's it. Nothing to think about or configure. So many unbelievable technological achievements in these cameras that are even more amazing when you can control them, and they're buried under mountains of menus. Some of them can't even be controlled at all. Pictar Pro enables photographers to use all the smartphone camera's incredible features while maintaining a great user experience. Here's how it works. I downloaded the Pictar app, then I just slide Pictar on. Now let's say I want to take a picture of our camera guy. I use this wheel here that controls exposure. Then I slowly move the zoom to the desired spot, then a short shutter press for focus, and there. A perfect professional picture. The 3 Ps of photography. I just invented that. That's not even a real thing. Pictar feels and looks just like a classic camera. It has a brass body with a satin chrome finish just like Leica or Minox. Besides looking beautiful, that metal gives Pictar the firm grip and weight of a camera for better stability. Just like a camera, Pictar has 4 external buttons and wheels for precise control over the phone's camera and for unleashing its full potential. To really complete the camera feel and help take pictures when the sun glares on the phone, there's the viewfinder. It makes me feel like Annie Leibovitz, or Robert Capa, might be a better choice, being a man and all. Let's look at the features. Pictar comes with an app that detects all your phone's abilities, and in most phones even adds capabilities that other phones have. It also has advanced video features, just like a real camera. Every one of those features is accessible through the wheels and buttons of Pictar. Take, for example, the continuous zoom, an important tool when shooting a video. With Pictar, I just use the rocker switch. Through the app, I can even control the speed of the zoom. Simple enough even for the caveman. Then there's the shutter release button that easily takes pictures when fully pressed, and that locks focus and exposure when half pressed. There's the exposure compensation wheel for better lighting control. It also allows for a quick flip between front and back cameras, for a quick selfie between shots. This button here is called the Smart Wheel. It allows the user to easily scroll between 8 preset modes, including full manual, shutter priority, ISO, and a video mode offering advanced video features such as white balance, shutter speed, and frame rate. The Pictar app offers so many professional photo and video options, just choose. I'll go with macro. I'm gonna focus on this spider. We couldn't get a real spider? Press the button, and that's it. A macro shot of a fake spider. I can also use the manual focus on whatever part I choose. Because it's a camera, on the top of Pictar Pro there is a cold shoe connector for LED devices or a shotgun mic, and on the bottom you can connect a tripod. Another feature I like is that Pictar has a built-in battery and it wirelessly charges your phone when it's in, so your shoots don't end abruptly with a dead battery. Pictar Pro works with really almost any phone as long as it has a phone shape and with most phone cases. Also, it's future-proof, meaning that whatever new OS or new Android candy name will come out, Pictar Pro upgrades to fit it. And there's no setup or pairing process. Pictar's app and buttons work through an ultrasonic wireless system that takes very little energy with instant engagement. Just plug and play. This is the second and more advanced version of Pictar. The team behind it has successfully crowdfunded and shipped the first Pictar, as well as 3 other photography gear campaigns. This is their best product yet. So if you want to take professional pictures like pictures are meant to be taken, support Pictar and make the most of your smartphone camera.
Meet the Team G electric skateboard. An ultra-thin, lightweight, and comfortable e-skateboard. Carefully designed with stability in mind, the Team G is only 12 millimeters thick and just 8 centimeters off the ground. It has an 18-kilometer range on a single charge, an integrated battery that charges to full in just 2 hours, a low center of gravity that allows for comfort control and max stability, powerful brushless motors for quick acceleration, steady brakes to slow down safely, easy controls so you can pick up and go, high elasticity PU wheels for a comfortable ride, 2 speeds for any level of rider, makes climbing 20-degree hills a breeze, a downhill regenerative battery so you can recharge on the go, wireless controls for changing speeds, braking, or reversing direction, easy to clean and maintain, compression resistant, strong dual hub motors to get you where you need to go, and a nice emery paper cover. Team G, back us today.